Hi, I'm Catherine. I did my Excellence Diploma course at Whitecaps in the year 2022. I'm the pastry chef and owner at Meows and Muffins Cat Cafe, Bangalore. So I'm basically from Calcutta, born and brought up there. I moved to Bangalore in 2019 after I got married. I had been looking at baking courses online, and I came across Whitecaps on Instagram. Actually, it was about a workshop by Chef Amaury Gushan, and that's where I heard about Whitecaps. And then I got on Google, checked all the other details, and called them up. That's how. I was looking at the curriculum, the things that they were covering, the topics, the basics. So they covered a lot of the aspects that I was looking at, whatever I was looking for in a course, the different topics, right from cakes to cookies, to breads as well. So it was a very comprehensive course, which made me choose Whitecaps. I, in fact, visited the establishment as well, looked around the facility, the classrooms, the infrastructure, and everything seemed very satisfactory. So after the course, I joined Four Seasons as an OJT. I worked there for 4 months, and then I had to quit due to health reasons. This is Meows and Muffins. It's a cat cafe. This is a place that combines cafe and cats together. So people who love cats or, who want to know about cats, they can come and visit us, spend some quality time with the cats, as well as, have some delicious food. We have some amazing offerings when it comes to food and beverages and desserts. So we have foods ranging from, appetizers to pastas, pizzas, and our signature dessert is a jiggly cat pudding, which is actually a coconut panna cotta, which is served with strawberry sauce and a crumble. Along with that, we also have some other, cheesecakes, muffins, tea cakes as well for our customers. See, I come from a family of chefs, okay? I have my uncle, in fact, he's still helping me with the kitchen. He and my brother look into the kitchen part, and I look into the baking part. And growing up, I always wanted to start something of my own. I started baking. That was just, out of sheer hobby. I never thought I would take it professionally at any point. But then, I wanted a break from the corporate life. I was working at the software company. I did not want to continue that any longer. I wanted to do something of my own. And then I was like, fine, let's take it professionally. Looked for courses, joined Whitecaps, learned the basics, of what goes into the dessert and why. And then I worked at Four Seasons to get the hands-on experience, the on-field experience, that is. And that's from there on I looked into space to start my own venture, and that's how Meows and Muffins came into existence. Tell them to just go for it. I mean, I went ahead at a very late age. I mean, I was almost 30 when I started my baking journey. So it's never too late. Just give it a go. Do not think it twice. If you want to go for an institute where you want to learn, I think you can definitely check out Whitecaps. I'm sure you will be, satisfied with their courses, with the faculty, with the kind of training and education that they provide.